Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add a new child life event on Facebook. Whether you're celebrating the arrival of a new family member or just want to share the joy with your loved ones, this quick tutorial will help you create a meaningful post. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, tap on the section that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you begin creating your post. Next, scroll down until you see the Life Events section. Tap on it to explore the different categories of life events that Facebook offers. Now, select the category labeled Family. This is where you'll find options related to family milestones and celebrations. Within the Family section, tap on New Child. This option is specifically designed to help you announce and celebrate the addition of a new child to your family. Once selected, you'll be prompted to fill in some details about this special moment. Add a title for your post, such as your child's name or a heartfelt message. You can also include the date of their arrival and any other details you'd like to share. When you're done, tap Next. Before posting, take a moment to choose who can see this life event. Use the audience selector to decide if you want it visible to everyone, just friends, or a specific group of people. Finally, tap Post to share your exciting news with your Facebook community. Your announcement will now appear on your timeline as a life event for everyone in your chosen audience to see and celebrate with you. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily create a memorable post that captures this precious milestone in your life. Thank you for watching, and congratulations on your new addition.